Everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Binance application on your PC or your laptop. So let's get started without wasting much of your time. First of all, open a web browser or go to the URL box and type in binance.com and search. You will then end up in the official web page for Binance. Simply go ahead and mouse over to this download icon at the top right. Now click on more download option in order to open up more download options and links so you can get the Binance application on your preferred device. Go ahead and click on the desktop option at the top and then select your operating system from the list that you would like to download for. Since we are doing this for our PC or laptop, I am using Windows on my laptop. Let me click on download for Windows. So that's how easily you can install Binance application for your PC within few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.